Hello and welcome to another video of the IT Career Guide YouTube channel. With today's video, I'm starting a new series and I'm gonna call it 5 Minutes Wednesdays. So in these 5 minutes or less type of videos, I wanna just to provide some basic IT career related advice or provide some information related to that. So how will that look like? So it's really a video that I envision to be 5 minutes or less. And I will not go into really complex topics or anything, but stretch the surface in certain areas and provide really helpful information and hopefully give you a lot of value so that you can go take that information, do some additional research and then really benefit from it. So this is the first video in this 5 Minute Wednesday series. I assume this video will probably be around 6 minutes, 6.5 due to the introduction, but that will be the exception. Next week on Wednesdays you will get a video 5 minutes or less, and that is promised. So let's get started. So the topic for today really is you get into IT and you really make that career change and then you realize you do not like it at all. No matter what your role is, if you're in help desk or you move from help desk into system administration or you're working in information security or you're a software developer, whatever it is, you just don't like it. You worked 1, 2, 3, 4, how many years, and you realize you just don't like it. So what are your options? I mean, if you changed your career earlier into IT, you could potentially go back into your previous type of career. But there's probably a reason why you changed into IT, and well, if you didn't like your previous career, that doesn't do you any good. So what can you do? So what I would like to suggest is really that you take a look at information technology and just broaden your horizon a little bit. There are a lot of other roles in information technology that you can take and that give you a complete different work and a complete different environment to operate in. So here's an example. So let's say you are a systems administrator, you just don't like the hours, you don't like to be on call, it's just work that bothers you and it's not fun. Well, if you have some knowledge related to infrastructure, look at the role of the IT project manager and become potentially PMP certified. PMP certification is a highly valued certification, not just in information technology, but across the board. So you could go get your PMP, work in IT and become a project manager, and then from there potentially even move into other industries, into other areas and run projects. That's just one suggestion. Another option would be IT procurement. So again, you work in IT, you don't like it, and you want to just get into an area where some of that IT knowledge comes in helpful. And procurement plays a role not just in IT. I mean, procurement, they help with procuring other services or goods for the company, whatever it is. But it could be helpful to be that dedicated partner for the information technology department. And your knowledge there could help you. Another option is if you look at potentially application support. So that gets you a little bit away from the main information technology. It still keeps you in information technology, but you become a specialist in providing support for certain software applications. In this specific case, take a look at human resources. Human resources uses more and more technology, and they have really a need for highly trained individuals that help them. So you're bridging the human resources field with technology, and that opens up a lot of opportunities. So that is it for the first 5 Minute Wednesdays video. And I hope you got a little value out of this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would like to hear from you in the comments what you think about this new series. And well, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.